TIAA Robo-advisor for investing honest review. Watch before using. TIAA Personal Portfolio is a robo-advisor service that offers automated investing management tailored to individual financial goal and risk tolerance. It aims to provide personalized digital financial service suitable for various generations, including options for social and responsible investing. And here are the key features about the platform, which is one of the key features is automated portfolio management, social responsible investing, which is RSI, and a daily monitoring and a rebalancing. And here are the pros and cons about this platform. So talking about the pro, it established a financial institution which back up by a Fortune 100 firm with a long-standing reputation in financial management, particular for non-profit sector, and also a diverse account type, which supports various account structures, including IRAs, custodial accounts, individual and joint accounts with trusts and 529 plans and health saving accounts, which is HSAs. And here the downside about this platform, which is higher account minimum, which requires a minimum investment of $5,000, which may be higher compared to some competitors, and also no tax loss harvesting, lack tax loss harvesting features, which are offered by some other robo-advisors. And here's the conclusion. TIAA Personal Portfolio is a solid choice for investors seeking automated investment management with the backing of a reportable financial institution. It's socially responsible investing option and a comprehensive account type cater to a wide range of investors' needs. However, the higher account minimum and absence of tax loss harvesting may be consideration for some investors.